Hello everyone, welcome to second part of the Optimized Environment series. In this tutorial, we are going to create cube maps, realistic renders for the interior behind building windows. So instead of modeling a full interior floor, we can use a simple plane with minimal polygons. First, I go to modeling mode and create some boxes to create a small room. For now, to have a better view, I leave the back wall open so we can arrange the scene. Next, we can download some free assets from the Fab Market and arrange them properly in the scene. And since we want to visualize the space, we definitely need to set up lighting for the scene. We can also use materials like parquet for floor and add more static meshes, but for this tutorial this is enough. Now we reached the main part of the process, which is creating the cube renderer. First we add a scene capture cube, which is a camera that will capture the render for us. After setting up the view, we disable the capture every frame option to keep scene lighter. The reason this process is heavy is that the camera captures 6 renders from different directions at every moment. So if you see a video memory error, don't be surprised. After that, we create a cube render target texture, which is where the rendered image will be stored. We add the texture to render target to the camera. And as you can see, an image has been captured on it. Now we need to move the camera and place it inside the room so the background is not visible. Next, we will close the back wall and extend the wall length to achieve a better scene. If the video has been helpful so far, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Now, as you can see, our textures represents an enclosed space. We can also create a static texture from these as well. Now we need to create a material for it, and the first node we add is interior keep maps. Now we add a vector input by pressing 1 and left click, and then connect it to the tiling input. Now we need a texture sample parameter cube. We can assign a name to it and finally connect our texture to it. Now we can create a plane and apply the texture to it. As you can see, the camera is not positioned correctly, so we need to enable caption rotation to get a proper render. We also rotate the plane to achieve this result. But we still need to fine-tune the camera's location for a better outcome. Now we can take a copy of our box and using a Boolean operation create an opening like a window in it and see the result. Now, as I mentioned, we can create a static texture and assign it to another material. In the same way, we can generate different cube renders. Overall, these techniques can greatly help to optimize our scene. As you can see, I'm adding these two renders to scene we created in the previous tutorial of this series. With just a plane and a single polygon, we can create high quality interiors behind our windows. I also added a set of new assets to the ones we created in the previous tutorial and uploaded them to our membership channel. You can join the channel for a small fee to support us and gain access to available files. We can also adjust the material settings and plug our texture into emissive input so that it emits lights as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please support the channel by liking, subscribing and sharing.